Making money on Swagbucks is so easy, it's like grabbing a pile of cash every time you open your computer. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make $100 fast on Swagbucks, so stay tuned. Good money making morning. My name is Steve Cooper and welcome to howtomakemoneyasakid.com, the website and channel that's all about helping kids and teens make money so you can be anxiously engaged in a good cause and reach your full potential. Now today I want to review Swagbucks. This has been one of the most popular posts on my website. Swagbucks review how to make $100 fast on Swagbucks. Swagbucks is one of the most popular ways for kids and teens to make money online. If you have a computer and internet, that's all you need. You're good to go. And I wrote this review so you can know exactly how to get started and how to start making money right away on Swagbucks. What you're going to do is you're going to follow these steps. Step 1, sign up. Step 2, confirm your email address. And so I'll go ahead and show you how this is going to be done. So click on this link right here, sign up. This is going to take you over to Swagbucks. This is an affiliate link. You put in your email address and a password and click sign up now. Great, you've already earned 4 Swagbucks just for signing up. You can do a couple more things really quickly. I mean, they take about 30 seconds to earn a bunch more Swagbucks. So like this one, add the swag button, that's 50 Swagbucks. For every 100 Swagbucks equals $1, so 50 Swagbucks is 50 cents. Is what you can convert it over into gift cards or even like a PayPal card that can be used as like cash. So you can also set it as your default search engine, and as you search, you'll, from time to time you'll receive Swagbuck points, and just for setting this up you earn 20 Swagbucks right away. This is really cool. You can refer a friend. And so any friends' emails that you put in here and invite, you can go ahead and earn 10% of whatever they earn using Swagbucks. So that's a great way that, if you refer this out to a bunch of your friends, you use even your social media and like your Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, share your link, and you can start earning 10% of whatever your friends earn. So you can start earning together. And if you even tell them how you heard about Swagbucks through howtomakemoneyasakid.com, you can earn 5 Swagbucks really quick. Perfect. So as soon as you're into Swagbucks, the first thing you need to do is go to your email and confirm your email subscription. This is how you can get all the latest updates and the best things from Swagbucks to really keep you earning the money that you need. So go over here, go to your email, and you'll see it from swagbucks.com, swagbucks.com registration. So go ahead and click that. So just for verifying your email, you can qualify for a $5 sign-up bonus right away. Awesome. Here's the qualifications to receive that bonus, and just click verify your email. Perfect. Now that you've confirmed your email address, you can take a little quick tour of Swagbucks. You can earn Swagbucks by play games, search, discover, answer, watch, and shop. So those are all the things you can do to earn money on Swagbucks. Next, for redeeming your Swagbucks points, you're going to go to rewards. So once you've earned at least 300 Swagbucks, that's as soon as you can start getting rewards. So you go here, redeem your Swagbucks, and you can see all the different rewards that you can get. So like if you have 1,000 Swagbucks, you can get a $10 gift card for eBay or Fandango, an Amazon gift card, 300 Swagbucks for a $3 Amazon gift card. If the thing you want, you can buy it on Amazon. This is really easy, you can just buy this. But if you need cash, you can always just use the PayPal cash card. So once you have 2,500 Swagbucks points, you can get a $25 PayPal Swagbucks card. So next right here is you can see how much Swagbucks each activity is worth. So if you decide to shop, you can see, if you spend $1 at the store, you earn 2 Swagbucks. Up here you can keep track of your Swagbucks points, how many Swagbucks you earned. Like I said, 100 Swagbucks equals $1. And you qualify for your first gift card. Once you have 300 Swagbucks, you can immediately get a $3 gift card. So you can actually earn Swagbucks by watching videos. So you can choose from all these different kind of categories. If there's something you like, or you can just start plugging around. You can see how much each of these are worth. So if you start watching, you can watch the playlist. A great tip is what you can do is just put these videos on in the background, you know, those points will start adding up as you're just kind of playing these videos in the background. So if you're going to be doing shopping online, or your parents are going to be, you might as well come through your Swagbucks account and start earning Swagbucks as you're buying stuff you're going to buy anyway. So Walmart, you know, if your parents are going to buy something online, or you're going to buy something online on Walmart.com, go over to Swagbucks, click through their link, and you'll start earning 5 Swagbucks for every $1 that is spent. And if you're going to be spending this money anyway, then this is a great way to earn some extra Swagbucks. Awesome. So let's talk about Answer. Answering is where you take surveys. So this survey right here takes 3 minutes to complete. You earn 4 Swagbucks. And so you just click here, start survey, and get going. You can see here that there's a ton of surveys you can take, and these other ones start making a lot more money. So just sitting down and taking a couple surveys is a great way to start earning money very quickly. Swagbucks has their own search engine. So what you can do is, as you're searching different things like how to make money as a kid, you can go ahead and search that on Swagbucks, and sometimes you're going to be earning points through doing this. And a great thing to do is you can also add the swag button if you're using Chrome, and you can get a lot of points through using that swag button. Discover is where you can find cool services and companies to sign up for. Make sure you read the offer details so you know exactly what it takes to get those Swagbucks. This is where you can start earning Swagbucks really fast, since there's a lot of offers that have really big payouts. Like this one, sometimes these cost money, so just make sure you read the details. But if you have services in here that you're going to sign up for anyway, then go ahead. And sometimes they're just email subscriptions and different things that you can sign up for and earn, you know, a decent amount of Swagbucks that way. Do you like to play little online games? Well, if you do, you can do it through Swagbucks and start earning money. Sometimes these cost money, but a lot of times there's some free games as well that you can just start playing and start earning money. So if you like playing games online, why not play some games and earn some Swagbucks? So like we saw earlier, you can also refer your friends to Swagbucks and start earning money. So go over here at the top, and you can put in your friend's email address, add a custom note, or you can use this link right here, copy link, and you can copy it to any of your social media channels, post it to Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, anything like that. And as you get referrals, you'll see which of your friends are signing up, and you'll start earning 10% for the life of whatever they earn. So it's kind of cool. If you get a lot of friends to sign up, you can start earning a lot of Swagbucks that way. So the secret to making your first $100 fast on Swagbucks is just to put in time every day. Now, if you just spend like 20 hours of one day, you're probably not going to make your $100. But if you put in like 30 minutes to an hour a day for a month, you're probably going to make your $100. So you just got to be consistent and put in your time. Again, you're not going to be an overnight millionaire. This is not a get rich quick thing. But it is a great way for you to earn some money. If you just need 10, 20, 100 bucks, then this is a great way to earn some money fairly quickly without having to do a lot of things. All you need is your computer and internet, or even your phone. They have a Swagbucks app you can even use. So you can download that app on your phone and start making money that way. You know, what I like Swagbucks about is, you know, it's a great way if your parents don't want to loan you money, or you just need some money to start your little lawn mowing business, or your window washing business, or start your website, or any of those kind of businesses that might cost a little bit of money to get started. Swagbucks is a great way for you to, you know, start earning that money, so you can save up $100 or $200 to where you can start your lawn mowing business or start your own website. Use Swagbucks to make enough money to start your other business. So I hope you enjoyed this Swagbucks review. If all links will be in the description below, so you can go ahead and check out the posts on my website where I wrote about all these different steps that we talked about in this video at howtomakemoneyaskid.com. The link will be in the show notes below. And also you can just type in howtomakemoneyaskid.com/Swagbucks, and that will take you right to getting started on Swagbucks right away. So good luck, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.